chugga choo-choo train, riding through the sun and rain. All aboard, let's shout woohoo! Next stop, meet the Zoo Crew too. The monkeys swing from side to side, waving as we roll and ride. They giggle loud and clap their hands, doing flips and funny stands. Elephants stomp with mighty feet, trumpet sounds and marching beat. They lift their trunks and spray the air, water splashes everywhere. We see a lion with golden mane, roaring loud beside the train. He gives a wink, then takes a nap, with his paws curled in his lap. Zebras run with black and white, zooming past with stripes so bright. They zig and zag with playful glee, galloping wild and running free. Giraffes peek through the trees so tall, bending low so they won't fall. They munch on leaves and nod hello as the train wheels roll below. A hippo yawns in a big mud pool, splashing round to stay so cool. She smiles wide with teeth so big, and does a little belly jig. Parrots squawk and flap their wings, singing loud as the jungle sings. They fly above in colors bold, with feathers red and green and gold. The zoo crew waves as we go by, underneath the jungle sky. Our choo-choo train goes around the bend, but don't you worry, we'll come again.